Hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. Today we are going to talk about traders with Edge. So basically this is a trading platform where you can invest your money, and then you can like do challenges over there, so accept challenges over there, and you can simply invest your money, and then after you will get some profit over there. And this is a very amazing platform. I will tell you each details about this platform, what to do, what you don't need to do, or everything I'm going to explain in this video. So here I have provided the referral link in the description box. Please check it, the referral link. If you follow the referral link, then you can see this kinds of interface and you'll get some amount of rewards also. So don't forget to use our referral link over there. So here, like, this is just a investment and like challenging platform. If you think that you are a great challengers, and if you think that you have a amount of money, then you can simply invest over here, and with the return of you will like get extra amount of like profit over here. So if you simply seek here like account type, choose your account type like standard, aggressive. So if you do for the standard, and if you invest like 500, 5,000, 10,000, 25,000, 50,000 amount of dollar, then you will get like profit spread will be like 80%. And here are all the challenges, requirement, and like all those challenges like features, what you'll get, and everything you can simply see. There are three types of account type, like phase 1, phase 2, and the instant account type. For the phase 1 and phase 2, you need to wait for some time. If you invest some amount of money over here, then for the instant, then you will get like instant like profit. If you for the instant mode, you need to invest a lot of money, then after you will get like instant profit and everything as it is. So simply you should purchase all these things. For example, I have selected $25,000, then I need to like purchase these, and you can simply see over there. So how it works, simply you can read all these features like phase 1 to phase 4. So here you'll be given some challenges over there, then after you need to complete those challenges, then after you will get the extra amount of like profit from here. So for example, I have invested $1,000, then for which account type, for example, I have done for the phase 1, and like I have just invest on phase 1, then after if I go through it, then I have to deposit $1,000, then after I'll get some profit from there when I just get the challenges and complete it. So I need to do all these things. So according to their terms and condition, if you have money, then you can simply go for it. Simply you can see like choose your account type. Here are three types of account type, and like for the purchase, you need to purchase, then after you will be see these kinds of interface over there. So 5k turtle standard challenge M4, so this is for the $55. So simply you can purchase this. First of all, you need to sign up, then please click the sign up button over there. So basically this is a challenge and like investment like trading platform where very big traders are do trading over here. So here you can simply see for the sign up, create an account. So first of all, you need to create an account, then after you will be able to do all those things over here. So simply put your username and email, then after click on register, then you will see this kinds of interface over here. So after the sign up, then you can simply see like shop. So for example, if I purchase this 100k hair aggressive challenge, so if I purchase this challenge, so if I, this is a kind of token over here, if I purchase this and after I can sell it in a like I have put for example, I have the like purchase in 880, then I will be given some challenges over there. Then after I need to like sell it in like, for example, in a higher price. So first of all, you need to like billing details. If you want to purchase, then you need to simply fill these details over there. Then after you will be able to like purchase those things and accept the challenges over the Traders with Edge platform. So simply put the billing details over here. So in the right side you will be able to see like payment details. So for the bank transfer, cryptocurrency, each and every thing they provide, like Payoneer also they accept, further Bitcoin also, cryptocurrency, bank transfer, PayPal, everything they are like providing the features. So simply here are the challenges over there at the top corner, like top side. So here are the customized challenge, like phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, like challenges, phase 1, phase 2, and instant challenges over there. So turtle here instant, so you need to choose your account type. According to account type you need to invest the money. If you invest a good amount of money, then you'll get the profit in a good amount. So do at your own risk. So please note that this video is for the information purpose only. So I'm not this channel owner, or like we are editor. Don't force you to just like invest over here. So we are just providing the information, like this platform, what does this platform do, how to do sign up, how to like do billing and everything else, what are the features. We are just explaining the features. So please do at your own risks, this I'm telling you. So time and again, so simply here there are over 700 tradable assets. So you need to digital asset. So for example, if you want to purchase like digital assets, means like Bitcoin, crypto, like cryptocurrencies, so that are the things. So digital assets. So for physical assets like house, land, they are the physical assets. And for the digital assets, so this is a digital asset you are going to invest on. So basically this is a investment in digital assets. Then after you will get extra amount of profit if it goes well. So this is a information video I have already told you, and I have also provided the referral link in the description box, so please check it out. So here I have explained about the account type also. So phase 1, phase 2, and instant. Please here read this carefully, then only decide whether you choose which challenge and how much amount you want to spend on and invest here in the this platform, trading platform. So it depends upon you how much you like invest over here, and at the moment and after some time. So here are the date also, they provide the date also, like we can like pay out funded in 2 weeks. So if you funded today, then after 2 weeks you will be pay out if you funded the according to you, if you funded the right amount and like very good amount, then only they share the profit over there. So if you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell over there. We'll be uploading more videos like this, and I have provided the referral link which is in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. So till then, bye bye and take care.